Howdy, folks. Kevin here with another in the series of the Pathfinder Learning Center or online admin series, whatever we want to call this. Today's subject: why you didn't get a warning before you got some spanking on the Learning Center. You did get a warning. The written rules are the warning. There are over 18,000 members to the group. There are over 28,000 posts and comments every couple of weeks. There are only a couple of admins, and we've got other things that we do other than adminning the Pathfinder groups. And as far as that goes, the other groups that I admin online. So, yeah, you did get a warning. It's the written rules, and that's the only warning you're going to get. The admins don't have time to babysit 18,000 members. To be quite frank, the number of members that actually can't follow the rules is rather small. And that's it. You did get a warning. Thanks for watching.